Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, south central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Richtown, or 8 miles south of Springfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Yeah,
Hazard,
Springfield.
50 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Madison, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Greenbrier, Lakewood, Ridgetop, Old Hickory, and Jolton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 90 and 103. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
All right. First Nashville SVR of the day.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11
Davidson, Rutherford, and Wilson.
At 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waverly, or 13 miles southwest of Lebanon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Smyrna, Waverly, Virginia, Washington, Walkerville, Laurel Hill, Melinda City, Cedars and Lebanon State Park, West Hampton, Milton, and Gordonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 226 and 227. Interstate 24 near mile markers 66 and between mile markers 72 and 84. Interstate 840 between mile markers 53 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There you go. Another SVR from Nashville. Bye.